Good afternoon, everybody. It is Fan Man Steve here once again. It is Tuesday, November the 1st. I hope that everybody had a safe and a fun Halloween. This is a Lasko 3733, and this belongs to my sister and her husband, and this is what they use in their bedroom. And I know that you're all going to enjoy this because this is the first new fan um in my stream on my streaming in quite a while. The fan does, however, appear to be in good shape. It's just it is kind of dirty. We'll have a closer look at it here. And you can see that the fan has a good bit of hours on it. There is the center batch there. Let's have a look at the back of the fan here. Just about everything to it appears to be original, including the knob and the carrying handle. It does have one of the feet, but one is missing. See if we can have a look at the inside of the motor here. I can't make out of it if it's a shaded pole motor, but if it's any later than 2015 or 16, then I would assume so. Kind of hard to make out of it. Let's have a look at the information on the bottom here. Covered by one or more of the following U.S. patent patients. RA440 298 model B220 B20 200 8 set 277. Okay. And there's the date code there on the bottom. It's from this fan was built in 2017 through 2018, so it had to have been somewhere between the end of late 2017 and early 18. So this fan is well over 4 years old. 120 volts, 0.8 amp, 60 hertz. And there is the Intertech there on the bottom, if you can make out of it. These Lasko fans are okay. I mean, they're not particularly my favorites. And I do not own many of them. They're not something that I would collect definitely more of a user's, edition. I do tend to collect more vintage fans and stuff like that. These fans do work well in, smaller rooms like this, and they're good fall and springtime fans. Actually, the Lasko 3733, which is the Franken fan over there, I think is maybe like a year or two older than this. And with the motor, including the fan itself, if the body was a bit thicker and it still had the full slats in the grill, it would actually be a better fan, in my opinion. Let's have a look at the plug here. I'm not exactly sure, but with the way that this plug is designed, I'm pretty sure that there would be a fuse inside of this plug. Like I said, I don't own many of these 3733s, and I haven't had one fail on me to get an autopsy to find out what's inside of these plugs. And I haven't even watched enough videos to see for myself. But I am certain that there would be a fuse in this plug. Go ahead and we'll start this fan up now. Let's start it up here on the low speed first. Oh, okay. This fan could definitely use a good cleaning. It's putting out a gentle breeze. It's not doing anything unusual. There's really not a whole lot of vibration to it. Not too bad. But with these plastic fans like this, even the newer ones, what more can you expect? Okay, let's knock it up to high. This would definitely cool off a room small such as this on a good, maybe on a good cooler autumn night. If I could manage to clean the thing, I think it would do a whole lot better. So much for the 90 FCM joke. Yeah, the most powerful box fan, 250 volt motor, and it'll blow the cover off your bed. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. Spin down really isn't too bad. I'm not exactly sure when the last time this thing was cleaned or serviced. Let's see if we can capture a startup sound from the back here. Let's start from the low speed first. Alright, now the medium. Okay, now the high. Okay. Well, there you have it, everybody. There was a little demonstration of a 3733 2017 to 2018 Lasko box fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. I'll be getting more videos uploaded as soon as possible. I'll be uploading a little bit more fan videos every now and then. There's a few more others around here. Maybe I can try to get on video one day. Well, that'll do it for now, everybody. I hope that you've all enjoyed the video and put in comments, like, subscribe, and have a good one.